Good solid advice about how to make money online that anyone can use. If you have a family or even live alone, you know that you need income in order to survive. With so many layoffs, more and more people are looking for alternative methods of bringing home money. However, you may be surprised that many people are looking online to earn extra money. Consider this great opportunity and keep watching for some sound advice. Look out for online scams. There are so many options for online income, but some are not that attractive. Read reviews of jobs you are willing to do prior to starting it. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. There are a number of revenue sharing sites that you should look into if you like to write. You will be developing videos on topics that you like, and you receive a portion of the income that is made. Even better, you can use Amazon affiliate opportunities on these sites to make even more. Get started today with earning money and you don't even need a resume. All you need is the right knowledge and the need to work. There is nothing limiting about the internet and there is so much you can do. Embrace your future by using the advice from this video and starting work today. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.